Use discount code JacobViral at Sky High, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Is there a way we can put the windows up real quick? Okay. Just for a demo real quick. So I can get the info. Because it's so loud out there. Awesome. That's a lot of fun. Could you tell me your name and what's in here, man?
Arzo Carter.
Okay.
I got 2 Crossfires XT4 18s,
Okay.
Crossfire 16K, and 2 800.4s, 90 amp hours C-Max,
Okay.
and a 435 amp Brand X alternator.
Brand X alternator. Very nice. Who built the box?
Drew Drone Design, Outcast Radio in Tyler, Texas.
Okay. It's a good drive.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah.
Don't mind making it.
Yes, sir. Can I see the back real quick?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, man. Nice. Looks really good. I like you got the cross and everything. It's important. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That'll be the thumbnail right there. Thanks. Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, man. Let's do it. All right. Yes, sir.
Take a picture of both of y'all.
Yeah. Let me. 1 second. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching, man. Oh, I would love to hear it. This looks good.
Yeah, it's been a long time coming. Yeah, man.
good for 2 subs with back seats.
Yeah.
That's awesome, man.
Appreciate it.
Really nice. And I saw you turn the lights on. I see the cross section you got. That's pretty sweet, man. On fire for the cross. Yes, sir, man. Thank you. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters here. If you want to become part of the channel supporter group, check out the links in the description to do that. As well as, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at cardio sites such as Sky High, Xplicit, DroppinHz, Limitless, etc. Links in the description for that. And last but not least, I'm also on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go ahead and join and follow me at all of them, as well as thank y'all for watching again and hitting the like button like you always do for daily videos and subscribing. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, check out these as well if you would like, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for more.